In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check my orders in Amazon Prime Reading. The first thing to understand is that Prime Reading works a little differently from regular Amazon purchases. Prime Reading is included with an active Amazon Prime membership, and the books or magazines you access there are usually borrowed, not bought. Because of that, they typically do not show up in your standard order history the same way physical products or paid digital items do. To get started, open Amazon in your web browser and sign in to the account connected to your Prime membership. Make sure you're using the correct account, because your borrowed reading content will only appear under the account where Prime Reading was used. Once you're signed in, go to Manage Your Content and Devices. From there, select the Content tab. This is the main place where Amazon shows your Kindle books, magazines, and Prime Reading titles. Here, you can review the content you currently have borrowed, look through previously borrowed items, check which device a title was delivered to, and see available return options. If your library looks crowded, use the filter menu to narrow the results. You can filter by content type, such as books or magazines, which makes it much easier to browse your reading history and find the specific title you're looking for. You can also check your Kindle library directly if you use a Kindle device or the Kindle app. Open the app or your Kindle device, go to your library, and look through your downloaded and borrowed titles. Prime Reading items may be labeled in a way that helps you identify them more easily, so this can be a quick way to confirm what you've borrowed. If you've also purchased Kindle books separately, open your orders and change the filter to digital orders. This section is useful for reviewing paid Kindle ebook purchases and other digital content. Just keep in mind that Prime Reading borrows usually won't appear there as regular purchases, since there's no separate charge for each borrowed title. Because Prime Reading is a Prime membership benefit, it's also a good idea to check your membership status. Open memberships and subscriptions and verify that your Prime membership is active. This confirms that you're still eligible to access Prime Reading. Another helpful place to check is your email inbox. Amazon may send notifications when you borrow a title, return one, or when your Prime membership changes. Search for terms like Prime Reading, Kindle, borrowed, or Amazon Digital to find those messages more quickly. Finally, if you want to free up space for more borrowed titles, go back to Manage Your Content and Devices, locate the item, and select Return this book. That's all it takes to manage your Prime Reading activity more easily.